Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 26, Radio Frequency, Moteino Send, Mk01. Radio frequency. Radio frequency, RF, is the oscillation rate of an alternating electric current or voltage or of a magnetic, electric, or electromagnetic field or mechanical system in the frequency range from around 20 kHz to around 300 GHz. This is roughly between the upper limit of audio frequencies and the lower limit of infrared frequencies. These are the frequencies at which energy from an oscillating current can radiate off a conductor into space as radio waves. Different sources specify different upper and lower bounds for the frequency range. Energy from RF currents in conductors can radiate into space as radio waves. This is the basis of radio technology. Duplex telecommunications. A duplex communication system is a point-to-point system composed of two or more connected parties or devices that can communicate with one another in both directions. Duplex systems are employed in many communications networks, either to allow for simultaneous communication in both directions between two connected parties or to provide a reverse path for the monitoring and remote adjustment of equipment in the field. There are two types of duplex communication systems: full duplex, FDX, and half duplex, HDX. ISM radio band. The ISM radio bands are portions of the radio spectrum reserved internationally for industrial, scientific, and medical (ISM) purposes, excluding applications in telecommunications. Examples of applications for the use of radio frequency, RF, energy in these bands include radio frequency process heating, microwave ovens, and medical diathermy machines. The powerful emissions of these devices can create electromagnetic interference and disrupt radio communication using the same frequency, so these devices are limited to certain bands of frequencies. In general, communications equipment operating in ISM bands must tolerate any interference generated by ISM applications, and users have no regulatory protection from ISM device operation in these bands. RFM12B Universal ISM Band FSK Transceiver. HOPERF RFM12B is a single-chip, low-power, multi-channel FSK transceiver designed for use in applications requiring FCC or ETSI conformance for unlicensed use in the 433, 868 and 915 MHz bands. The RFM12B transceiver is a part of HOPERF EZ Radio product line, which produces a flexible, low-cost, and highly integrated solution that does not require production alignments. All required RF functions are integrated. Only an external crystal and bypass filtering are needed for operation. Moteino. Moteino began as a low-power wireless Arduino-compatible development platform based on the popular Mk0328P chip used in the Arduino Uno. Moteinos are compatible and can communicate with any other Arduino or development platform that uses the popular Hope RFM69 or LORD transceivers, or even the older RFM12B. Moteino also comes with an optional SPI flashed memory chip for wireless programming, or data logging. Moteino was designed to be a compact, highly customizable, and affordable development platform, suitable for IoT, home automation and long-range wireless projects. Moteino R2, RFM12B. Frequency band, 433 MHz. Flash memory, with 4 MB flash chip.
Reduce frequency. Moteino. Arduino is same thing, and pins here for programming or F here. So here this I think 2 years, so like now better, but this duplex here, receive, and this perfect here. Transceiver here, and good. This here, the frequency here. So good. Now the project for radio frequency and receiver for here. In for here, ground and this, and the range in this, and LEDs here. This here, project here. This includes the radio frequency, the nodes here, network frequency is here, gateway here, ACK for the here, and serial port here. Option. This expression for the, so this the key for frequency. This null or here, like this, the key here, and 1, 2, 3, so like simple, but here for project. 1 second here. This there was frequency here, and payload the like project here. Request here, false. The LEDs version, the radio frequency, and 1 second here. Set up for radio frequency. This, the nodes, the here, the this key, and sleep, and here nothing. So now this is good. Output here and here, and perfect. Now send this, wake up, send radio here, and see here. Wake up, this good or bad, and the ear LEDs here 1, and after down, and sleep, and send, and that's it. This here now and back, and this port here, LEDs, and reduce frequency for setup, and that's it. This here, fine, but here receiver, but nothing, this no, so see after, but receiver and the pins here, 1 second, and that's it. Now the tools for this, and see this transceiver, and now but here nothing because the receiver, so now, but this good for the send for here. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.